Hi, my name is Carrina Lau. In this channel, you learn tips on how to have more clarity, focus, productivity, and better night's sleep. Do you often find yourself lying awake in bed at night worrying about money, school, family, friends, work, or your health? You keep tossing and turning and just can't go back to sleep. If that resonates with you, please keep watching. By the end of this video, you'll learn 3 simple steps with mindful breathing to help you go to sleep at night naturally. So in order for us to go to sleep at night, our mind got to be calm, peaceful, and empty. If you're dealing with a lot of stress during the day, it might be hard to turn it off. So the first step is awareness. We have to be aware, oh, I'm just laying here and my mind is running, and the more I think, and it's not working because I'm not sleeping. I got to do something different so I could have a different result. So step 2 is doing some mindful deep breathing. One of the easiest and the most effective way to slow down our thinking mind is to simply by taking some nice deep breaths. So you want to breathe in through your nose, bring the breath into deeper parts of your lungs and the diaphragm, because when you engage your diaphragm, we're activating the parasympathetic nervous system, which is our rest and digest system. We automatically feel more calm. So step 3, sink in. As you become more aware of your breath, allow your body to sink deeper into your bed. Each breath when you take in, allow your body to sink deeper and deeper into your bed. And as you pay attention to the feeling, the breath, and how your body is sinking deeper and deeper into your bed, eventually you're able to fall asleep deeply and soundly. So let's take some deep breaths together. So I would invite you to sit up straight. Imagine there is a string hanging from the ceiling to the top of your crown, and feeling your body sitting on the floor or on a chair, and your spine is straight. So we're going to do a breath. It's called the breath of peace. We're going to do a 4 count slow inhalation and a 8 count exhalation. All right, so please take a breath in and take a breath out. Here we go. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Feel the cool air coming into your nostrils, deeply engaging your diaphragm and the deep parts of your lungs, and exhale through your nostrils. Again, inhale, in, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One last one. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So now you have a tool that you can use when you have trouble sleeping at night. I would love to hear your comment. How do you usually find ways to sleep at night? I also prepare a step-by-step guide on how to breathe correctly. You could simply click the link below. If you like this channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.